Hello friends, welcome to ixamBee. This is Vidhika, law faculty at ixamBee. सेबी ग्रेड ए लीगल ऑफिसर का नोटिफिकेशन अभी एक दो दिन पहले ही आया था और सब लोग दो चीज जरूर ढूंढ रहे हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर कट ऑफ, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. I have already released a detailed video on the notification explaining all the important facts, and also in another video I have discussed the previous year cut off. और अब इस वीडियो में हम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो सेबी ग्रेड ए लॉ ऑफिसर एग्जाम के पेपर 2 में आए थे, बोथ इन फेज 1 एंड फेज 2. दैट मींस आपके लॉ सब्जेक्ट, प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चंस हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन विद दिस वीडियो. एज आई हैव मेंशन्ड 2020 में सेबी का नोटिफिकेशन आया था एंड ड्यू टू कोविड द एग्जाम वाज कंडक्टेड इन 2021. In this video, we are going to discuss that paper, memory based questions from that previous year paper. इस साल सेबी ग्रेड ए लीगल ऑफिसर में 16 वैकेंसीज हैं. If you look at the important dates, you can fill the online application form from January 5 to January 24. The phase 1 online examination is on February 20 and phase 2 exam is on March 20. Let's quickly discuss the eligibility criteria. Maximum age should be 30 years. You should be a graduate in law. That means you should have an LLB degree and no experience is required. So right after your graduation, you can appear for this exam. Now moving to the exam pattern. There are three phases. Phase 1, phase 2, both are written, and phase 3 is interview. In both phases, there are two papers. Phase 1 में paper 1 is QRE, quant reasoning English and GA, and paper 2 is your law, that is legal. And when you move to phase 2, again there are two papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English and paper 2 is your law. In both these phases, paper 2 is law, and in both these papers the maximum marks are 100. There are 50 questions in your law paper, both in phase 1 and phase 2. So this is what is the purpose of this video. आगे इस वीडियो में हम वो questions discuss करेंगे जो 2020 के पेपर में आए थे. So without wasting any time, let's move on with our first question. In the Constitution of India, in the statement, law inconsistent with or in derogation with fundamental rights, the term law includes. The options have been given on the screen. You can see the term law includes any ordinance, order, bylaw, rule, regulation, notification, custom or usages having in the territory of India the force of law. The correct answer is C, and this is from Article 13. अब इस क्वेश्चन को देखकर ना दो चीजें समझ आती हैं. पहली चीज कि क्वेश्चंस बेयर एक्ट लैंग्वेज से उठकर आ सकते हैं. This is a direct statement from Bear Act which has been divided into two parts. Though the question here seems very direct, but अगर आप options को देखें, so that makes this question a bit of tricky question, क्योंकि यहाँ पर options सारे ही correct लगते हैं. It is just that in some of the options, some of the terms are missing. And also दूसरी चीज जो यहाँ notice करने की है, Article 13 of the Constitution. यूजुअली फंडामेंटल राइट्स पढ़ते हुए आर्टिकल 14 से हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. आर्टिकल 13 तो ऊपर ऊपर से पढ़ लेते हैं, एंड द क्वेश्चन केम फ्रॉम आर्टिकल 13, तो इसलिए बेयर एक्ट बहुत ही थरली पढ़ना है. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Any person may enter into an agreement in such form as may be specified by the bylaws with any depository for availing its services. And the correct answer is through a participant, through a depository participant. And this is a question from Depository Act 1996. Section 5 of the Depository Act deals with this topic. Next question is, no court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under the Depository Act or any rules or regulations or bylaws made thereunder except on a complaint made by. The correct answer is any of the above. And again, Section 5 of the Depository Act deals with this question. Moving to next question. An act to prevent undesirable transactions in securities by regulating the business of dealing therein. This statement belongs to which of the following? And the correct answer here is SCRA Act. The statement has been picked up from the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956, and the statement is present in the preamble of that act. So you have to read thoroughly the act. If you understand the act, the questions will appear to be easy. Moving to next question. No depository shall act as a depository unless it obtains certificate of commencement of business from. The correct answer is SEBI. SEBI will provide the certificate of commencement of business to a depository. Section 3 of the Depository Act deals with this. The next question is from the Companies Act. If the quorum is not present within half an hour from the time appointed for holding a meeting of the company, the meeting shall stand adjourned to. And the correct answer is answer C, to the same day in the next week. and Section 103 of the Companies Act deals with the provisions relating to the quorum. Moving to next question. Which of the following is not a method by which one person company with one director can raise money? The correct answer is issue of shares. A one person company is considered to be a private company, and one person company can raise funds through venture capital, financial institutions, angel investors, etc. But it cannot raise capital by way of issuing shares. These all were the questions that came in paper 2 phase 2 of the exam, in your law paper in phase 2 in mains. अब मैं अगर 100 के 100 क्वेश्चंस 50 फ्रॉम फेज 1 एंड 50 फ्रॉम फेज 2 इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने लगी तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा, ये वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, आप लोगों का एनालिसिस भी इजी हो जाए, यू कैन फाइंड बोथ द पेपर्स, द मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. वहां से आप डाउनलोड कीजिए, सभी क्वेश्चंस को देखिए, ये भी चेक कीजिए कि किस एक्ट से कितने क्वेश्चंस आए थे. आफ्टर एनालाइजिंग दोज मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर्स एक चीज आपको पता चलेगी कि सेबी नोटिफिकेशन में जो भी वेटेज जितने भी एक्ट्स को दी है, सेबी ने उसे फॉलो किया है. अबाउट 90 to 95% ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वर फ्रॉम दोज वेटेजेस ओनली. अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की 10% वेटेज है तो 50 में से 5 क्वेश्चंस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बिलोंग करते थे. अगर कंपनीज एक्ट के 20% वेटेज है, सो देयर वर अबाउट 9 to 10 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम कंपनीज एक्ट. ये चीज आप खुद एनालाइज कर सकते हैं, लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस देख सकते हैं, और आप उन मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर्स को डाउनलोड करके उसमें से टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस भी देख सकते हैं. Many of the questions, 70 to 80% of the questions were from Bare Act language. डायरेक्ट बेयर एक्ट से स्टेटमेंट्स उठाई हुई थी, ऑप्शंस ट्रिकी बनाए हुए थे. दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन सेल्फ एनालाइज बाय डाउनलोडिंग द पेपर. At iXamBee, we offer SEBI Grade A legal online course, and our security law classes are going to start from tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. From 7th of January, we are starting the classes for securities law, and at present, we are offering 40% discount in this course. So if you are interested in this course, hurry up and enroll now. And if you have any kind of doubt, अगर आपकी कोई भी query है, you can write to us at hello@ixamBee.com. You can also call us on this number which is mentioned on the screen. Do subscribe to our channel to get all the updated information, to get all relevant information relating to SEBI Grade A Law Officer or any other legal officer exam. Thank you so much.